Hello, and welcome to the new age of skincare. Here is HyLab, the first personal skincare lab in the world for face care. It creates fresh, clean skincare doses entirely customized for your skin. There you are. Hello, beauty. This is the power adapter, and here is the spatula used to receive your skincare dose. Discover the concentrates of active ingredients. In capsules, they are ready to offer your skin all their freshness and effectiveness. This is primary face cream. And don't forget the cleaning solution provided for your formulator. After plugging HyLab, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is activated. Follow the instructions on the Romy app. Everything's very easy. Insert the vials into the back of HyLab. Do not forget to check the water level on the back of HyLab. Everything's settled. HyLab is getting ready. Here it is. HyLab is installed. Go back on the Romy app and follow the diagnosis stages provided by your coach. Create your own skincare according to your environment, your lifestyle, and your habits. Here are your ingredients of the day. Yes, those you are going to offer your skin right now. Prepare your ingredients capsules. Insert the capsules into the holder, close it to start the formulation of your face care. Take a deep breath and enter a new age of skincare. Your customized, clean, fresh, and effective cream is there, right under your eyes. Apply your cream to your face. Shh. It's a magical moment. We'll let you enjoy. HyLab is now getting ready to dispense your next custom skincare.